Hello students. Now students, we will be starting the new chapter. Okay. We finished the first chapter. Now we will be studying the new chapter. The name is whole numbers. Now first, whole number is what, children? Whole number is what? Basically, whole number and natural number. I'll just brief you up with this whole number and natural numbers, children. Whole number means what? A number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then so on. Okay, infinite तक जाता है, lakh, crore. This called all are whole numbers. Natural numbers, the difference is it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay, this is the only difference. Whole number starts from 0 and natural number starts from 1. Natural number starts from 1. Okay, so these are the whole numbers. Now, talking about whole numbers, first we would be looking towards the predecessor and successor. Predecessor क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Predecessor and successor. Now, what is predecessor? Predecessor means what? -1, subtracting 1. कोई भी नंबर को subtract 1 करो, यानी पीछे का एक नंबर है. Remember we were doing the number before वाला number, that is called predecessor. Okay, by subtracting 1, like 16 is there, so 16 minus 1 is 15, so 15 is the predecessor of 16. Barabar? Suppose I take another number like 232, so predecessor of 232 is what? -1, 231. Clear children? This is called predecessor. Pre यानी पहले का. Pre means पहले का. Before. Next, adding 1 relates to successor. Now successor means what? Adding 1 to any number. Adding 1 to any number. This is called successor. यानी बाद का. After वाला. Okay? So 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1 is 17. Adding any number to 1, any number like 361 plus 1, 362 is the successor of 361. Clear children? Simple है. Predecessor means what? Before 1 -1 करना है. Successor means what? +1 करना है after the integer, after the number, sorry. Okay. Next thing we will be studying the exercise 2.1 is the number line. Very important, children. Number line. Okay. This is a number line, children. I have drawn from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. Now remember, children, whenever I go from left, this is my left hand side, to the right hand side, the value keeps on increasing. बढ़ते जाती है. The value keeps on increasing. Value बढ़ते जाती है. Okay. The same way, if I go from right to left, the value keeps on decreasing. The value keeps on decreasing from right to left, decreases. From left to right, increases. Clear children? Up to this much. Now suppose I want to add something according to the number line. So how would I show this? I'll just take some other chalk. I want to add 3 plus 4. Okay. So I will start with 3. I want to add plus 4. So jump for 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 7. Sounds pretty good? Clear? Okay, suppose I want to add 6 plus 2. Okay, so just I will erase this. 6 plus 2. तो 6 यहाँ पे प्लस 1, 2. 6 plus 2 is what? Clear, children? Now we would take, okay, see, add कर रहा हूँ मैं, increase कर रहा हूँ, so I go to the right hand side, I go to the right hand side. Now if I want to subtract, तो decrease होगा. Suppose 9 minus 3, 9 is here, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 12 minus, suppose I take 12 minus 9. Suppose I take 12 minus 9. Children, just work this out. Okay. Twelve minus 9. I would need to take 9 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Clear, children? Clear, children? Now, last talking about the multiplication. अगर multiplication मुझे number line पे करना हो, तो how will I do that? 4 times 3. 4 times 3 यार. need to jump 4 times. 4 बार मुझे jump करना है. क्या? 3 steps. So I'll start jumping. Start from 0. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 times. 1, 2, 3. Again 2 times. And 1, 2, 3. Again 2 times. Okay? 4. 3s are 12. Clear, children? Suppose I take 6 times 2. Jump 6 times for 2. Again start from 0. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 times. 1, 2, 3 times. 4 times. 5 times and 10 times. 6 2s are 12. Is it clear about this introduction part, children? Okay, next we will see the exercise now. Okay. Now, children, we would start with the exercise 2.1. Okay. Write the next 3 natural numbers after 10,999. Natural numbers means what? It starts from 1 to infinite. 10,099 next natural numbers. So 10,099 plus 1 कितना होता है? 9 plus 1 10, 9 1 plus 9 10, 1 plus 9 10, 1 plus 0 1 1. That is 11,000. Okay, 11,000 is the next natural number. I want 3 numbers, 3 natural numbers. इसके बाद क्या नंबर? 11,001, 11,002. Okay, children. These are the 3 natural numbers after 10,999. Clear? Write the 3 whole numbers occurring just before 10,001, before any minus. Okay? तो अगर नहीं क्या करता हूँ नहीं समझ आता तो -1 करो. 10,001 minus 1 is what? 0 0 0 0 1, which is 10,000. Okay. -1 again. 0 minus 9 is not possible. 0 minus 1 is not possible. Borrow 1. Okay. 10 minus 1 is 9. 999. 9,999. Again minus 1. Again minus 1 beta. 9,990. Okay. So these are the numbers just before. We can write 9998 first. 9999. Then 10,000. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. Okay. So these are the basic numbers. We had this also, this also. It is okay. Okay, but it is number just before 10,001, just before 10,001. Okay, so before है तो minus minus 1 करना है. Okay, next one, which is the smallest whole number? Whole number means what? Again, it starts from 0. So 0 is the smallest whole number. 0 is the smallest whole number. Clear? 0 is the smallest whole number. And what is the smallest natural number? So 1. Which is the smallest natural number? So 1. Okay, children? How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? अब 32 और 53 के बीच में अगर मैं लिखता हूँ, okay, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52 between these two. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 natural numbers. No sir, सबके लिए ऐसा मुझे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. अरे नंबर एक बनेंगे नहीं. There is a method for that. There is a method for that. I just told you that. What is 53 minus 20? 32. 53 minus 32 is what? 21. बराबर. अब सर मैंने गिना था तो 20 आया था. So here बेटा between आता है बेटा. I am taking between. That is -1 करना जरूरी है. Okay. If I want to check the numbers between these two, तो 53 minus 32 करूँगा तो आंसर मेरा wrong आएगा. Because I am counting 53 also in that. I am counting 53 also in that. So I want to subtract. I have to subtract one number. So 21 minus 20 is what? 20. So 20 whole numbers are there between 32 and 53. Clear, children? Write the successor of. Next succession means what? I have told you earlier also. Plus 1. Plus 1 number 2, 4, 4, 0, 7, 0, 2. 1 के बाद क्या आता है? Now here, if you are getting confused, add it. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 0, 1. Okay? Plus 1 to 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0. Which is what? 1,200,000. Okay? The same way, 105 times 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 10, 10, 10, 1 and 1. Okay? It is 11 lakh. It is 11 lakhs. Okay? Okay, children? Next, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0 के बाद क्या आता है? 1. लास्ट डिजिट लिखना है. Okay? 6, 7 है तो I can change the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, children? This is how you add or get the successor of the particular number. Okay?